everyone! Today I'm quickly talking about how to wear and charge the Hume band and whether it's actually worth your money. First off, wearing it is pretty straightforward. You want it snug on your wrist, but not too tight. If it's a fitness or smart tracking band, make sure the sensors sit flat against your skin for the best readings. Charging is just as simple. Most Hume bands use a magnetic charger, so you just snap it on and plug it into USB power. I recommend charging it every couple of days, depending on usage. Now, is it worth it? Honestly, it depends on what you need. If you're looking for basic tracking and a lightweight wearable, it's solid. But if you want advanced smartwatch features, you might find it a bit limited. Overall, it's simple, functional, and easy to use. Let me know in the comments if you want a full review or setup guide, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech reviews. See you soon.